Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically what we need to do to release the strap, you need to pull on this lever, pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it releases the pin in the strap and basically lets you to remove the strap. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. When you pull on this lever, like I said, it retracts the pin that is inside of your watch, and once the pin retracts, you can pull out the strap, and the pin is inside of the hole on your watch right here. Let's do the same for the other side. So pull on the lever and take out the strap. Come on. Okay. And here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get your new straps and you want to put them on, it's quite simple. You take a strap, you grab your watch, you put the side farther away from the lever inside of the hole on your watch. So basically you take it like this and you put it on like that. So basically it should land in the hole on one side, and on the other side you need to pull on the lever, retract the pin and align it, and then release it. It should click in, and once it does, it will hold. Same for the other side. So put the pin put it in on one side, then pull on the lever to retract the pin, align it and release it, and it will hold. Okay, and once you're done, you can put on your watch or whatever you like to do with it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.